Now we have a relation in the resistance and temperature coefficient or the temperature. So standard temperature alpha is equal to RT minus R0 into T. This you have studied in the 11th. If we find to alpha, then R2 minus R1, this is R1, T2 minus T1. If we are going to find the temperature, then RT minus R0, R100 minus R0 into 100. Now we have the specific conductivity. So what is called specific conductivity? The reciprocal of resistivity. The reciprocal of resistivity is called specific conductivity. It is represented by sigma. So sigma is equal to 1 upon rho. We have this, and if we can put the value of rho here, so what is the value of rho? Rho is equal to RA upon L. This is RA upon L. So rho is equal to, L will multiply L R into A. This we have a relation, and its unit is ohm or mho, and also we can determine this relation with the current density. J sigma J is equal to E. This formula you can learn, it will be useful in your numericals. Now here we will talk about the Kirchhoff's law. So Kirchhoff has given two laws. First law is called the junction rule. So according to the first law, all the current meeting at a junction, है ना, their algebraic sum is 0. Suppose I have this one and this one a current. This is I1, I can say this is a I2, and this is I3, and this is I4. So their algebraic sum is 0. So I1 plus I2 plus, that is internal current, that is positive, this is a minus I3, and this is also minus I4 is equal to 0. So I can take I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 plus I4, and suppose here is 3 ampere current, there is 2 ampere current is going, so 2 plus 3 5 ampere current is coming out. जितना करंट अंदर आएगा उतना ही बाहर आना है यहाँ. सो ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है 4 एम्पियर एंड दिस इज 1 एम्पियर. सी दैट 4 plus 1 is 5 ampere. And second law Kirchhoff has given for any closed loop the circuit में, so summation IR plus summation E is equal to 0. E is what? EMF, electromotive force. Talk about the carbon color code. So what is a carbon color code? Actually, for the resistance, to determine the specific value, there are the 4 strips are on a resistance have. Okay, A, B, C, and this is a D. So in this, the first 2 strips indicate the significant figure, and third indicate number of 0 in the power of 10, and fourth indicate the tolerance plus minus 5%. So a formula is given for it. B. Roy, Great Britain has very good wife bearing silver and gold necklace. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5. Okay, Britain, capital B. So this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and this is a 9. These are the color codes. So first B, black. First B is representing the black. The second B is representing the brown. It is 1. This is red. Red is 2. O for orange. Orange for 3. Y is yellow. Yellow is 4. G for 5. This is 5 for the green. This is a green is 5, and this 6 number is B for the blue. This is blue, it is 6. This is a gray is 8, and WHIT white is 9. So by using this we can find out the resistance. So first 2 significant, third is number of 0, and fourth is tolerance. For the gold, if we have the gold fourth ring, so its tolerance is plus minus 5. For the silver, plus minus 10%, and other color we have plus minus 20% of its value. By using this we can find. This is the important question for the point of view of your exam.